Imagine you're at the last question on Math Module 2 of the SAT. You're moving and grooving, you're feeling good, you don't think you've missed any. Can you solve this one and clinch that 800? 2x squared minus 13x plus c equals 0. The product of the solutions to the equation above equals 3. What is c? So the way you have to think about it is you have to think about the quadratic equation because that gives you the two solutions. So in this case, it's going to be negative b plus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a times negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then we're going to get negative b times negative b is going to be b squared. Now, you're going to get a difference of squares here. The plus and the minus are going to cancel out, but I'll write it out so you have plus b root b squared minus 4ac minus b root b squared minus 4ac minus b squared minus 4ac. Because those two multiplied together, the square root cancels all over 4a squared. Now what's going to happen now is the middle parts cancel, right? So those go away. And our new equation is b squared minus b squared plus 4ac all over 4a squared. The b squareds are going to cancel, the 4's cancel, and the a's partially cancel. So we're left with c over a. Now with c over a, we're going to have that equal 3. If a is 2, we have c over 2 equals 3. c equals 6. So this question feels overwhelming at first, but remember, quadratic equation is your friend. That's one of the most underused and least understood parts of the SAT. If you get that, you'll get this one. I hope you understood this video, and I hope it's sunny where you are. But if it's raining out there, you know what I'm going to say. I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.